what up? I'm here with Gavin.
What? I'm stupid, huh?
Yeah, you really are. So what we are doing today is called the blow dryer challenge. It's a blow dryer. And there's Edward. And yeah, so we're trying to get. Give me the egg. We're trying to get the egg in. To see that little cup. See that little cup right there. Look on my finger. Right about there. We're trying to get it in that cup. Hey, Eva! Say hi!
Hi!
Okay.
Hi!
Say hi, Eddie. Hi. Got a little shy. Okay, so let's get right into this video today. That. You just turn it off.
Look!
Okay, let's try to see if we can get it in. Oof. It's plugged in, I think. No, it's not plugged in. Oh, it was close. It didn't break at least. Is it still in the air? On the camera, it looks like it's in the air for some reason.
You want to try it from the back?
Look. What?
You want to try it from the back?
What do you mean by that?
Like by.
We gotta really get on that next week.
Okay, let me try. Gab, hold it. Okay, do you have the egg? Sweet. Egg.
Sweet. Yeah.
Okay, let's turn it. Hi! And then let's try to get it in. Oh, it was close. That was pretty close. I'm saying that's close. Yeah.
Good.
Oh, sorry for the
Sorry
finger in the way.
Go get it, please.
Please. What the heck? Be going downstairs. Egg. Look at Gavin! Gavin, I got it in!
You cheated! You come on! It's cheat!
You cheat. Dang it. Sorry guys, I just gotta put the camera down for a second. Not right at this moment, Mom. Ouch, I just fell. You got the hairbrush? You got the blow dryer? Ah, it's blew in me. Guys, blow it at them. Gavin, blow it at them. Okay. Oh, it bursted. Get it, you get it. Get the egg. Tired of turning off a blow dryer. I'm holding in my... Okay. Now Gavin, trying to find eggs. You see, it's Easter already! Yeah, Easter is very soon, guys. Easter is very soon. Come on, Gavin, the other one went all the way over there. Oh my God. He cannot find stuff. Okay.
Yeah. You're stupid. Oh my
It's
God!
right
I didn't see that.
here. How did you not see that? How? He did not see that there. Ah! Why am I falling so much? Gosh.
Round two.
Round two. No, that's like round 4, I think. Round 4. Okay, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Hold the
Hold
camera.
it. Hold this.
So now Hayden's doing it.
Why am I doing this? Suck. Okay. Whole blow dryer on. Guys, Gavin, show them this. Show them this. No, show them Edward. Okay, guys. We're gonna try to get it. Oh! Sorry for my recording. I'm looking at a camera. I'm looking at a mirror. Ta-da. I have a bad recording. Guys, this is my first ever video, so... Oh. Why do you always split it? I've never split it.
Don't know. You
Okay,
know
turn
how to
it-
make it cold?
Like, press cold start. Well, that's like the...
I don't like it. Oh, gone.
Oh, Eddie.
Gone.
No. No.
Oh,
No,
God.
Eddie.
Oh, gone.
I heard you, Mom. This is hard. You didn't hear nothing. Yeah, I heard everything you said. And that's gonna...
Oh, gone.
Guys, that is the worst show. It's Buddy Thunderstruck. Don't look it up on Netflix. It says bad stuff for little kids. So if you don't want your kids hearing that, if you have kids, I don't. Do you?
No.
Okay. That's actually really good. He's like, okay, your turn. Oh, that was close! That was so freaking close!
That was cool.
All right, guys. If you did enjoy that video today, please consider subscribing. You'll be my first subscriber if you subscribe right now. Yeah, I'll give you a minute. You subscribing? Okay. So say bye to Gavin. Bye.
Bye.
What type of bye was that?
It was hard.
That's a horrible bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Grab that. Grab that.
Okay. Bye.
Grab it before I get to
He's crazy. So, bye. No, not bye. I messed that up, didn't I? Just consider liking, comment. Just do whatever you want. Just don't put your thumbs down.
What are we gonna steal?
Okay, that's it. That's
Yeah,
just
we're
don't.
doing
Just
something.
don't. Please don't. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
I didn't press. Okay. Bye.